how to do. This guy. Oh yeah, that will fucking send for sure.
You have to turn that motor down a bunch.
Yeah, well they got settings for this 22 gauge that I'll run. Okay, so I should probably inform y'all on what's going on. If you can't tell already, we got the sunroof out of that piece of shit. This is a heavy son of a bitch. We're thinking probably 50, 60 pounds minimum. It's fucking heavy. And it takes a whole bunch of headroom up. So, drop that shit out of there. EK, obviously. Now we're cutting out some little 22 gauge, I don't know, plugs, I guess. Weld them up in there and gonna race car.
I'll stick some roofing caulk in the corners.
He's gonna stick his cock in the corner, is what he said. And then, we'll get to this in a little bit. There's a fucking hole in the floor. So, we also have to weld that. And he's got everything out of this. You guys will probably recognize this car. This is the old stock B18 that we're getting going for the next year here. Got some good shit going on with this bitch. This is the car that brought a whole bunch of motherfuckers to the channel. Last I checked, that video was at 90,000 views. God motherfucking damn. I guess I haven't even showed anybody what the fuck we did. It's this one. Yep. So, this is the old B18 B1 out of that thing over there. And, yeah, we took a little bit of a bite out of the sleeve there. The pistons and everything, I think we junked them, but they were all good. Rods, pistons, bearings, everything was fine. Well, that piston was cracked. We think it probably touched a ringland there because, I mean, it was bone stock, unopened, no head studs. This is the fucking head off that thing. And here's the little fucking turbo we ran on that. Here's my thumb, just for reference. It spans the whole 2-inch inlet on it. It's a fucking little son of a bitch. Stock head, LS head, stock intake manifold. There's some fucking fuel and a turbo and some really shitty tuning. And we beat a Hellcat, guys. It was a Hellcat. It was a Scat. It's a Scat, they say. 350 horsepower B series. Ties a Scat pack, bro. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and fucking, I guess, weld that piece up in there, and we'll be back when we're done with that. Good job, guys. So, this is our fucking Harbor Freight titanium welder that we just bought a few days ago. And this thing's been doing some good stuff. We got our little Amazon gas cylinder here. So we got this shit grinded down, ready to be welted on. And I guess I'm gonna be doing some welting on this Johnson. Me and George obviously went on this welder together. Titanium MiG 140. It's a pretty nice little welder, I gotta say. It's gonna get the job done. We're in it about $800 total for this whole setup. Everything we needed. So yeah, I guess we'll be doing the welding now. There we go. We is about to do. I'm so glad I got that on video.
Where are you gonna tack? Like right there, and then there?
I'm gonna hit this side first because it's tight. Yeah. All right, boys.
Ready?
Yep.
There you go. You going?
About it.
Ooh, fucking sparked right in my eye. God damn. Ooh. You get one? We have the proper safety precautions, of course.
My leg out of there. That way.
That gap's gonna be a bitch.
Yeah. Welding up top would be real easy.
Oh.
That sucks. Dang, that is welding like shit.
It's not doing nothing.
That's what I needed.
Fucking looked at it, of course. Bitch. It's on fire.
Yeah.
Shit. It's fucking smoky. I didn't do anything.
It's slow, but I can do that.
You're fighting burning through it, trying to push.
Looks like we're doing a little better now.
Well, once you get over this gap, you're definitely gonna
Yeah,
have to push.
I guess it's pretty tight over here.
I'll try pushing.
Yeah. You kind of got a point there.
Push the G. I look straight at
Yeah, same.
that. Yeah.
Turns out it's still bright. I don't know. It do be his car, so.
Who cares if it's not?
Yeah. We can always shove cock in there.
Yeah, it's not like you're gonna have a race car out in the rain.
Exactly.
Just anyways.
Fuck a sunroof. Let's just leave it open.
Yeah, for real. Moonroof.
Moonroof. Yeah, baby. Yeah, I mean, if we're really talking about weight reduction, why add the weight of that half-pound piece there?
Yeah, why add the fucking weight of the belt?
Exactly. We could tape it in there. Do a roof spoiler? Yeah. Oh yeah.
That welds.
I like the roof. It's all open.
You have a hole.
I have a hole.
A couple.
There's a lot of holes.
There's some holes.
Yeah. There's a
Ooh.
it's Swiss cheese. Moon.
Yeah, so this might look fucking terrible. It might look fucking terrible. No butt. No anything.
Oh, there, buddy.
This might look fucking terrible, but it is welded. We hope this helps. Yeah, anyways, we got it welded here and ground a little bit. This is really dumb, but we're having a great time. And it might turn out good. Let me take the mask. I'll lay some shit down. You've been on it for a minute.
How long you plan on going?
Till you do something.
I'm not gonna do anything then. You want to do a dick measuring contest? Live on YouTube?
Live on YouTube. Yeah. What is up, guys? Okay, anyways,
It's fucked.
as you can see, we hired a professional to come in and go ahead and weld it. And you can see it's clearly perfect and there's no imperfections. This car is actually going to SEMA next week.
Fuck, it's the quality of the fucking gauge.
I know.
Gosh.
Oh, that's sick. That is so cool. Do that again.
What do you...
He's sweeping the windshield with the magnet.
Yeah, there's fucking metal everywhere.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
The best place to build a high performance engine.
Yeah, let's build it right here.
Put that in there. Fresh bearing.
Oh my god. That's so cool. But yeah, I mean it's getting there. The hole in the roof is being removed.
Yeah, it's not completely rubber.
And it looks like shit on the inside. So that's good. That's what you want. But no one can see the inside, so we don't give a fuck. But yeah, we're gonna call it there for tonight. We'll come back and keep bracking on it tomorrow. We're also got to cut a hole in the floor. Well, there's already one there, but we have to cut it out of the floor. So we'll do that also on another occasion. But there's an idea here, so
Something will happen.
please criticize us in the comments below. We're actually experts on this, so
Yeah, we really care what you think.
we quite literally care so much that I'm gonna be reading every comment and
Anything negative is getting deleted, by the way.
I'm gonna go down in the comments and delete every single comment. And I know you're watching this laughing your ass off. This car is going to fucking put 12 bus lengths on you and make half the horsepower. And yeah, and this is the sunroof. So eat shit.
It's staying like that. It's not
Yeah,
getting painted.
we're not doing anything. Eat shit and die. And that's it.
We don't like any of you. Go fuck yourself.
And I also to say to anyone watching this video, if you like the video, I'm coming to your house for free anal tonight. That's it. All right, we'll be back later or something when this shit. This is bad. This is bad. Yep, this is bad. Thanks. Bye.